guys, today we're going to be talking about our new boiling pan we got. So we're upgrading from a 18 by 36 inch to a 48 inch by 48 inch, 4 foot by 4 foot by 12 inches deep. So we just got a new one here. So we just finished building up our new base with our bricks here for our new fire. We have a makeshift chimney here. We still got to fix this up and secure this. Hopefully we're going to be burning a lot tomorrow, and maybe we'll be burning up to 15 gallons an hour actually. Okay, we're getting our fire started for our evaporator, and we're planning on boiling 75 gallons of sap today.
Why are you pouring your bucket out?
So we're gonna go ahead and restock the fire.
I don't know what's up.
Okay, so we've been boiling for about 2.5 hours now. We've been boiling about 20 gallons an hour. And as we start to near the bottom, we don't want to overboil our syrup. So we're actually going to put it into this feeder pan and onto this other brick arch evaporator. And we'll hope to finish it over here. Okay, alright, it's nighttime now. We've been boiling for about 5 hours. We'll only have about 1.5 inches of maple sap in here, and we're going to be drawing it off pretty soon to put into our other evaporator. Okay, so we just finished boiling with our 48 by 48 pan. So we just put in about 3 gallons into our finish boiler, and we're going to finish it up in here. Okay, so we just finished boiling our maple syrup. So we finished with a total of 2 gallons. We started with 80 gallons of staff.